Ready to reach your English speaking goals? Let's get you started step by step. Step 1. Set your goal. Whether you're preparing for a job interview, presentation, or exam, ELSA tailors a learning path just for you. Step 2. Practice real-life conversations. Role play with ELSA's AI coach to prepare for any scenario like an interview or presentation and build your confidence. Step 3. Track your progress. ELSA gives real-time feedback on your pronunciation, fluency, and accuracy, so you know exactly where to improve. Step 4. Level up your skills with interactive games. Test your knowledge, spot the odd word out, and challenge yourself to think faster. It's fun and engaging and keeps you learning every day. With the new ELSA, learning English is fun, effective, and tailored to you. Start your journey today and speak English confidently in any situation.